Welcome back guys. Today in this new video of our tutorial we will be learning JavaScript JS, and this will be the most authentic and practical way of learning JavaScript in today's world. And yeah, this is not like every other tutorial you see in YouTube videos. This will be like very much exciting, joyful, and like it will be full of practice projects and many more things. So without any further detailed explanation, let's go to our computer screen and then just start coding. So the thing you need to learn JavaScript is only to courage to learn, and you just have to allocate a proper time to learn this language. So let me introduce it. Like it's a simple programming language like every other languages, and it is basically web language, and it is a dynamic programming language. It is used in almost every field of programming world. So the first thing that you need is VS Code. I hope you have downloaded VS Code. If not, you can just download VS Code from any browser you have. So without any delay, just open it and create a new folder. Like I will be creating a new folder called JS Learning, LEARNI, and the JS Learning. So simply select it and then open it. So here you will see here our folder has been opened, and here you will simply write anything like script, script. You can write anything, you can name it anything, but at the last you should end with .js. So whether it is capital or small, you should write .js at the ending, so to ensure it can understand this is a JS file. So the every programmer's first line is hello world, like the starting coding. So let's start with that. So you will write console, console.log hello world, hello world, WRL world. Okay, so when you write this, it should be displayed somewhere, right? So where it gonna be displayed, whether if it is displaying on your console of your browser, don't panic. I'll be explaining each things, what gonna need to see the output or everything else in this detail, step by step. So see here, you have written a code, but where can you get the output? So you will simply open a terminal. You can also get your output over here if you have downloaded Node.js on your computer. So simply go to browser, then download Node.js. You can download that, I know. If you download, let me just show you. You can go and type Node.js, and then here it is, and you can download for your device, if it is Linux, Mac, or simple window. So here you will ensure if it is downloaded or not. To ensure it, you will write the node -v. So see, I have downloaded the this version of Node.js, so you can download any of them. It's not a big deal. So after doing this, so like to run this code above, after you finish download Node.js, you will simply ensure if it is downloaded or not, and then you will simply come to the terminal, and then you will write node, then you will write the file name, whatever you have named. Here I have named script.js. You can write anything in the place of script only. So here I have write script, so here I have write script, so here also I'll write script.js. So see here, our hello world has been printed out, and congratulations, you have just learned the first step of JavaScript. So here you have got a big problem, like most of the people do not start, and you have successfully start learning. That means a lot. So here you have write first language, first line of code, and then you can simply expand it. Hello, I am Prajwal from I'm Protwal from Nepal, and simply whatever I have done before, you will do the same. To run the program again, you will simply write node, sorry, spelling mistake, node script script, and then js, then you will enter. See here, whatever we have written inside this bracket, it has been successfully printed on our terminal. So like if you are familiar with the console log from now, then let's march towards the next thing, that is our operators. Simply it's too easy and too basic to learn operators. Like you will simply get you will let a equals to 10 and let b equals to 20 simply, and then see here our suggestion arrive, let sum equals to a plus b. So here you have to give pretty space over here, that will be perfect way of writing code. And then see here our sum will be arrived, but you should somehow print that. How you are going to print that? So for that you will use console.log, same as before, con as well console.log, then the sum of a and b is, and is sum. So here I have written one small plus in between the string and the sum. I'll tell you why I have written that. So once I have done this, you will simply see here our the statement has been printed successfully. But why I have used this plus, right? So you might be curious to know this. So let me show you. Well, you are console.log, let me print something else. So first string will be like our so if you want to print your number 1 as a string, not a number but a string, so if you do that, so what it gonna be, let's see. So first one is also a string and second one is also a string. So as per our mathematical logic, this will show 3, but it will show 12 since we have declared our 1 and 2 as a string, and we have added this plus in between them so that it can add 2 in string and make a simple and join them. Simply it work as a joint. So let's see, simply type node script.js, so and then enter. See, I have told you it should display 3, but it has displayed 12 since I have defined 1 as a string, 2 also as a string, and added them with a plus symbol. So here it works as a connector. It connects to strings if you declare them as a string. So similar as here, this whole as one string, and the back one we don't have to declare it string since it has certain value. If I declare it a string, then it will show the sum of a and b is sum. It will not show the value that is 30. So I hope you understand. So here you have successfully learned the operators. In the place of a plus b, you can write anything, like it can be minus, it can be multiply. For multiply you will write simply star, and for divide you will write slash. You might know that if you are from another language like C or Python, but let me teach to every beginners also. So yeah, you can use this. So hope you understood the basic how to set up your JavaScript on your device, how to start learning, and yeah, congratulations bro, since you have done it. The first step towards learning you have begun successfully. So let's continue this playlist with a lot of rock and rolls, and hope you will see the whole playlist of our JS series. And yeah, we will do a lot of fun, a lot of projects, and a lot of things are coming up. So um, for today, only this much. I'll see you with next brand new video. For then, bye bye.